Welcome to Grade Control GCS AccuGrade training number 2 for the control box. This training is going to cover the basic knowledge of the grade control display known as the CB430. This includes identifying soft tab keys and their functions. Understanding the location and functions of the soft tab keys will allow for uncomplicated navigation of the control box or the CB430. All CB430s are set up identically by Edgerton's technical support team. If there are modifications needed to these standard setups, please contact Edgerton's technical support team. Tony Leisner, Survey Specialist, 414-902-3601, or the Survey Manager, Ronald Opper, at 414-406-6074. We're going to talk about, in the control box, the soft tab keys. Where is the power key located? The next key, what is it? How to access the menu from the menu key? The escape button, the OK key, the zoom in and zoom out keys, where the speaker port is located at, the data card slot, the LCD display, the soft key label area, and the soft tab keys. Powering up the display is as simple as activating the power button. By selecting the power button, holding it down for 2 seconds and releasing it, the system will run through a startup program. When it has finished its startup process, the user will see the screen displayed here. The control box, or the CB430, has several different guidance areas. The control box, or the CB430, displays the software that the GCS is using. This gives guidance and information allowing the operator to perform precise grading operations. Specific site information is stored on a data card located in the data slot. There are several soft tab keys that perform differently when selected. The zoom in, zoom out, the next, the menu key, the spider key, the OK, escape, and power key. The zoom in and zoom out performs manual zooming in and zooming out. The next key toggles between guidance screens and selecting the next field in a dialog box. The menu key displays the setup menu. The spider keys allow for pan guidance views, item selections from a list, and entering data in the correct field. The OK or Enter key saves changes and exits the dialog box currently located. The Escape key exits or backs up without saving changes in the existing menu to expose the previous screen. The power button powers on and off control box or the CB430 in standard operator mode. Push, hold for 2 seconds and release. The display will power on. Push, hold for 3 seconds and release. The display will run through a series of shutdown processes. The speaker emits the beeping sound. Please do not cover up the speaker. We can modify the volume or make the volume accessible to the operator if needed. The data card slot holds a data card which is loaded or contains the designs generated from the CAD operator at the office. The next key reacts like a tab key, allowing for advancement, different views, plan, profile, and cross-section. The LCD screen displays information related to the selected project site. The soft tab key area displays shortcut keys for the operator by using the soft keys. Let's first take a look at the Escape and OK keys. Escape and the OK key. If the user navigates from the setup menu, let's say, and he selects his design and he does what he needs to, he wants to get back to the previous screen, use the escape button. The escape key brings you back to the previous window. Let's take a look at the OK key at this time. Let's say the user navigates from the setup menu into the light bar scales and wants to enter it. After he highlights it blue, he selects OK, telling the software he wants to access that aspect of the program, then can come in and he can change what he needs to, and he can then hit OK to accept the changes he's made. It brings him back to the previous window, and if he wants the user wants to go back to the prior window, to the main screen, use the escape button and he's back to the screen. Let's take a look at the card reader, which is located in the left-hand side. If the user pushes down on the thumb tab, the door opens, exposing the card reader slot. You can see here there is a card in the card reader slot. If the user has the display powered up, it's under power, and depresses the thumb to open up the card reader slot door, the screen will go red. This is letting the user know that at this time, do not remove the card from the card reader. Within a few seconds, the screen will go back to its normal blue color, telling the user it is okay to remove the card, and then you can remove the card. Practice safe best practices by powering down the display prior to removing. This concludes training number 2, the control box.